Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at the Entegra Coach Dealer Expo in Elkhart County. This is a 2026 Quest 25LP. Now from the outside you have this partial paint, molded fiberglass cap up top. We're built on a Mercedes chassis here. Nice armless Girard awning. Just some really nice appointments, but really the beauty is inside. Let's take a walk inside and I'll point out some features. So if you're in the market for a van, but maybe one a little bit bigger, this might be a great little option because there's two slide outs on board. So let me pan back so you can get an overall view before I start outlining. So on our first slide out, we have the home theater seats. What's nice with this is when the slide out is in, these seats are going to come up to about here, which means you have full access to the coach itself when you're in driving mode. So if you're in a Walmart parking lot, a truck stop, you can use this just as you would as if the slides were out. Now, let's take a look at some of the storage. Nice, deep storage. Not super tall, but deep, which is important. You're going to get lots of gear in there. Now, take a look. You want to see residential hinges, nice heavy-duty hinges. That way, these are going to give you long-term use with very little issues. And if you happen to have them come out of alignment, a little twist with a screwdriver and they're adjusted. We have a sleeping area up top up here with the big power screen, so you can open and close that screen with a push of a button and really let in a lot of natural light. Now I'm only going to partially open it because they obviously had it closed. The sun is starting to come out after the heavy rain. We're built on, when I say we're looking at a Mercedes chassis here. It's built on a Mercedes chassis with all the Mercedes appointments up front. Good, well-bolstered seats, and they even have the thigh supports that move back and forth so that you can get comfortable. And I like this. I have a vehicle, upper end luxury vehicle that has that, makes long drives really, really comfortable. The home theater seats are power seats, of course, with cup holders in the end. As we spin around, we have a decent kitchen area, so there's good prep space, right? Remember, we're a smaller unit. What I really like is the double sink. It's that black stainless steel. You have your faucet that's removable so you're not splashing water everywhere. Entegra has used the upgraded Lippert windows with the wood surrounds, and you have your night and your day shades all built in right there. Also, you have a wireless charger here and your power port, so that gives you your convenience at your fingertips. Induction cooktop with a propane cooktop, so you're covered. If you're just cooking up something quick, you're able to do that. Now let's take a look at these drawers. Perfect example. They're already thinking for your cutlery, already divided plywood plywood supports, and they're on the good European glides. So that closes in nicely. When we open this drawer, nice, deep, again, all plywood surround. When we look at our storage under the sink, looks like there's a lot that needs to be adjusted, so we'll do this. Nice deep storage under the sink for pots and pans, garbage can, etc. TV up top with a little bit of storage behind it, and that's on a swing arm, so it swings out. Residential convection microwave, so it's nice and deep and tall to do all the cooking that an oven would do, so you're not losing drawer and storage space for an oven. 10 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge. So good size fridge, especially for a unit of this size. Now what I do like, another wireless charger here, And that tells me likely, is it? Nope, just wireless charger. Wasn't sure if that was another power port. The bed is on a slide as well. So the only downside with this is when the slide out is in, your mattress is going to be folded up to bring that in. But that still allows you to have access here, as you notice, so you can get back to the drawers back here and to your wardrobe closet that's right here. So again, if you're in a parking lot, you're able to use this. Now I do like this countertop area here because you can do a couple of things with this. If you wanted, you could sit on the edge of the bed like I'm doing here, throw a laptop here, use it as a workspace, especially with the power center there. Or I could use it to just put, glasses, watch, wallets at night. And then with the two large windows, you have lots of natural light back here. And again, this is an emergency window. And again, we've got our day shade there and our night shade here. Again, these will pull all the way up or down depending which shade you want. Full wood surround on that. Now let's take a look at the washroom as we go back. Here's our command center for our Truma heating water heater. And then up here is our multiplex wiring. And of course, there's an app that you can throw on your phone. The bathroom is going to be a little bit snugger because we have the two slide outs, but that's okay. It looks like a decent size. So let's step inside and try it. Here's our toilet, nice big window, stainless steel black sink. We have our mirror with our LED lighting. And I'm standing here sideways just so you can see my feet, and I'm turning this way. So you could step out of the shower and, you're not going to dance a jig in here, but there's decent space. If you notice, let's do that. Just to try to give you an idea of space-wise, I'm leaning on the outside wall and my arm is almost fully extended to the mirror. Rectangular shower. I do like these new shower heads they're using, the residential style, except you have your water saver built into it. So you're going to get a lot of spray coming out of these, or you can use your handheld. They've also put the bars, so if you do happen to, wash some clothes on your own in here, you gone to the beach, you want to hang some towels, you can do that there. And there's the skylight as well. So is it a massive washroom? No. But we're not in a massive unit. We are in a small, what would be classified as a C or a B style camper. Little bit wider than a van, little bit longer than a van. But essentially the same footprint as a van. I have to say this is actually a layout I would consider for a couple of reasons. When you travel with a spouse, one of you may want to go lie down, take a nap. One of you may want to sit up, watch some TV, use a laptop, etc. You have two separate living areas from each other that can be utilized without compromising the other area. And that's a really important thing to think about when you're using. Murphy beds are great because you get smaller layouts, and we're going to go do a video on a Murphy bed unit and do that so you can do that comparison. Murphy beds are great, but sometimes you want a separate bed from the sitting area. The one thing to remember when this slide out is in, if you're traveling in cold weather and you can't get that slide out, you're going to be using this bed area up here. So it's just a consideration, and that's maybe where a Murphy bed will win out in some cases. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please click the like and the subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments below, any suggestions on units you'd like to see. Thanks, and check back soon, everyone. Take care.